Yo guys, good afternoon. Nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Red Deer. Ito na yung yung laro na inimbitahan ako ng Red Deer team. Kalaban yung Gilas Pilipinas natin, no, na si Ranidel de Ocampo, yung teammate ko, si LA Tenorio, yung naturalized player natin si Doughty, tsaka si Jeff Chan, si Arwin Santos, si Gary David, si Bo Belga, sino pa ba? Yun, si Pingris, si Mark Pingris. So dito tayo guys sa Red Deer, sa school. Anong pangalan ng school na to ulit? Nakalimutan ko na. Ayun, Lindsay Torber yan. So ayan guys. So samahan nyo ako guys, papawis tayo. So exhibition guys to guys, exhibition game to guys na bali Canada tour ng Gilas Pilipinas, mga legend, no? So maswerte tayo na imbitahan tayo isa sa makakalaban nila. Kahapon naglaro sila sa Edmonton, kaso problema natalo yung Gilas natin kasi yung mga kalaban, mga bata pa talaga, tapos siyempre wala na sa kondisyon yung mga legend natin gaano, no? Si Norwood pa pala nandito. So tara guys. So guys, nandito na ako sa dugout, nakabis na ako. Quiz!
Lighter. Sino may lighter? Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Anong masasabi mo?
Sana manalo kami.
First possession goes to Keith. The bounce pass is there. Extra pass to White. White surrounded by Keith Vectors. Now gets away from Santos. First down the ball. Now long for three. First attempt is good there for the Elite. And a steal for the White. First one all around. Now goes in the lane, stop and walk, jump, line. The stop taking truck, number 15 now. He goes in like that. Basketball, 19-16. Even today remaining in the first quarter. The big kickers now in the ball game for U.S. Legends. We put up the Martino, one of the greatest defending kickers of the Olympics. To his last part. Now the Negros Tiger. Tap brings the mistake of the first time serving.
Oh, listen.
Step back for Arwin Santos. Big for Arwin Davis eliminated goal 1 point. In that possession, Ronaldo is the U.S. Legends. They're again 23 points here. 3 points remaining the first quarter. Big thing is to get the shot on Pinoy Sakuragi. Martin is going to Arwin Santos. Santos finds the gap in the defense and finds the 2-point lead. So Arwin Santos starting up strong here for U.S. Legends. They reach his team another 5-point lead. DC Elite moving over around. Davis catching in 3. So DC Elite sitting closely to U.S. Legends here. And U.S. Legends looking for their first win here in their Canada tour. Taking this back on the defense. Number 2, reaching out from behind, on number 2, Correa. They're down by 1. David gets it off. David, 3! Back up by 2. David goes inside. Navigator now loses the basketball. So Levi with the possession. David bounce pass to Big Mo, who's still over the big man. At the halftime, we will have our hardcore shooting contest. This is our final difference. We have an exhibition game. And this is there from Morales. There is that to Marcos. To Orera. To pass great passing there for the rest player. They move the ball around against that defense. Because they found our open finger in the Santos. They have aggressive on the offense. Turn around just for Arlie. No good. Rebound for Raul. He's pressured by Gavin here. Take it down. 3-1 break. Correa. It's Norwood. It's short. Great defense there for Gabe Norwood. Preventing that easy basket for the rest here. Norwood goes to the post to Gary David. Nice advantage for Gary. Turnaround jumper for the phenomenal counselor. 3-1 break. Completed this for Mauro. 9 points. 47 seconds remaining. Chan is starting from the outside. Not anymore. Chan from 3. If you don't actually get what they mean starting from the outside, here's one for you. Jeff Chan connecting from the outside. And the first big one of the ball game. Oh, hell, there's an answer though. 23 seconds here. Last shot time for U.S. Legends. So no more shot here. Another shot clock for Pinoy Sakuragi. Before pass to Lumanoro.
So guys, tapos na yung game namin. Naantay na lang namin pumasok sila rin. So, former teammate ko guys, Ron Galdio. Shout out sa mga subscriber ko.
Shout out! JB Orea TV.